Hello children, this video is for class 9 ICSE board. Now in this video, I, Sujata Miss, is going to discuss different layers of Earth's interior. The outermost layer is known as crust or lithosphere. Average density of this layer is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube to 3 gram per centimeter cube. Thickness 8 to 50 kilometer. This crust we can divide it into two layers. One is Sial, the other one is Sima. Sial, it forms the continents, that it is the upper layer. Sima, it forms the ocean layer, so it lies below Sial. Sial, it is made up of silica and aluminium. So silica Si, aluminium Al. And Sima, it is made up of silica and magnesium Si Ma. Now this crust is relatively a thinner layer. After the crust, we have one boundary layer. The name of this layer is known as Mohorovicic discontinuity. This boundary layer lies between crust and mantle. After that comes mantle, which is the middle layer. This layer is semi-solid. It is rich in iron and magnesium. Average density 3.5 gram per centimeter cube to 5.5 gram per centimeter cube. Thickness 2900 kilometers. Now this mantle can be divided into two parts. One is upper mantle, another one is lower mantle. Upper mantle, it extends from Mohorovicic discontinuity to 700 kilometers. Lower mantle, it extends from 700 to 2900 kilometers. Upper mantle is cooler, made up of solid rocks, but lower mantle is hotter and it is solid due to high pressure. Now between 100 to 410 kilometers, the mantle is partially molten, and this is known as asthenosphere. Again we have one boundary layer, and this layer is known as Gutenberg discontinuity. This boundary layer lies between mantle and core. Last, or the innermost layer, is the core. The average density of core is 5.1 gram per centimeter cube to 13 gram per centimeter cube. Thickness, it extends from 2900 kilometer downwards. Now this core, again we divide it into two layers. One is outer core, other one is inner core. Outer core, it is liquid in state. Inner core is solid in state. Core is also known as knife because it is composed of nickel and iron. A knife for nickel. Iron, we know it's also known as ferrous. So Fe for iron. It is responsible for Earth's magnetism, and the magnetic field is oriented North Pole and South Pole. That's all for this chapter, children. This much, if you have done the entire thing very briefly in a tabular form, if you learn this, I think it's enough. Along with this, practice the diagram that is given in your book. Thank you, children.